everyone, welcome back. Today I wanted to do a plan with me. I am back in my daily Plum paper planner for now. As you guys know, I am super excited, like a lot of other people, for the daily Moxie Life to come out, but we still have some time before that happens. And I just realized I just love a daily planner on a coil. I always come back to it. So this is what I've been back in this week. You guys know how I feel about the color peach, and that's pretty much like the entire month of October in the Plum paper planner. So like I said, I've only really been back in it for a week. I had actually ordered my next 6 months in the Plum paper because I just didn't know which way I was going to go with my planning and all of that stuff. Plus I like to have it for comparison and things like that for reviews and just have that readily available. So that was another reason for ordering the next 6 months in this planner. This week just kind of got past me, and it's Friday night when I'm filming this, and you can see I haven't filled out my planner for Thursday or Friday, and it is just not going to happen. But we're gonna fill out Saturday, which honestly, it's just gonna be like your typical Saturday where there are not a million things happening, but I do want to still use my planner. So per usual, I'm just going to use some of my favorite things like the Pilot Precise V5 pen. You guys know I've been loving that pen for a while. The Zig Clean Color Dot marker, and then maybe a few like font stickers. I'm just not sure. I do have this sampler of mine from Fern Creek Stickers that I might try to use a couple of these. The colors don't exactly go with the peach in the month of October for the Plum paper, but there are some icon stickers that are fairly neutral that I may or may not end up using. All right, let's jump right into it. So first off, I think I'm just going to do my focus section, and it's still the same even on the weekends. My to-dos, which will probably be quite lengthy for a Saturday. And then of course my today section to have like our schedule and things like that, and content, because I have fallen so behind. So like I said, this week has just kind of kicked my behind, and I'm trying to catch up, but at the same time, I'm also trying to like not be so hard on myself and just be, you know, like understanding that, you know, life happens. So that's just how things go. One of the things that I've been loving is, you guys know that I write my times in my Plum paper planner, but I have been loving using the Zig Clean Color Dot, not the dot side, but the actual 0.5 side over here, which is great for writing in times in your planner, or just things that you don't want to be so noticeable when you are working in your planner. So since it is a Saturday, I'm going to start at 8 o'clock and then just kind of work my way down from there. But I really do like the way that this looks in the planner. It's just less distracting, if that makes sense. So you can write your times as big or as small as you want to, and it's just not going to take away from the tasks or appointments and things like that that we have going on. So that's that. I could take it all the way to midnight, but let's take it easy. I'll probably be in bed by 8. All right, so for my top 3, it's definitely going to be the usual medication and vitamins. And then for the third thing, I definitely want to get back into working out. It's been a good 2 weeks, or at least I've only gotten in like 1 workout per week, which is not horrible, but it's also just not ideal for the goals that I have in mind. So tomorrow I am definitely going to try to get in some type of workout. We shall see how it goes. All right, so let's look at this schedule. I still do my AM and PM routine. Of course, they're going to be a little later, both in the AM and the PM, because it's the weekend. So nobody wants to get up at 5 in the morning on Saturday. Not even me. So there's the AM routine and PM routine. Now, one of the things that I love about the weekends is having breakfast with my family. So that's probably going to happen closer to 10, and that's actually going to work out because Nathan has to work, but it's not till like 12, which is great. We don't have to get up and rush in the morning or feel like he's missing out on having breakfast with the family on Saturday. So I think we'll put that here. I don't think I have anything in my Chrissy and Design sticker. I tried to like move all of like my word stickers over to one book, but I don't have a whole lot in that category to work from. I also have this small sticker book. You guys know I don't use like too much in my daily just because this paper is a little bit sensitive, so I try not to get too crazy with the sticker thing in here. But oh, these colors look really nice. Oh, and there's some pumpkins and things like that, but not really anything that not anything that I actually need. So probably gonna skip that. I probably should have come up with an actual plan for my plan with me. So I may stick to a lot of like these gray stickers just because, again, I don't have a whole lot that will match this peach color, or maybe I just don't I don't really want to look for it. Anyway. Oh man, this page is already looking a hot mess. Okay, so there's that. Next up, I know I want to do some cleaning up of the house, so we're probably going to do that right around here and just clean for a little bit. I feel like my house needs a good reset. Like, we've kept things tidy, but we haven't done a good like deep clean, and it's starting to bug me. All right, let's move on to the to-do side over here, and it's probably going to be a lot, and a lot of it will probably get moved over to Sunday as well. I mean, I like getting as much done as I possibly can on Saturday so that I don't have to do too much on Sunday, but then sometimes I'm just like, this is just too much. I need a break. I also want to relax on Saturday, not just be on the go, go, go. All right, so we definitely need to do laundry and floors and bathrooms. My goodness. Luckily, our guest bathroom isn't anything that's too big of a deal, but our master bathroom, I've been working on like different drawers and different areas of the master bathroom, like the closet and things like that. That has really helped, but I really do need to clean the floors in there, wash the rugs, that type of thing. That fun stuff really needs to get done. And of course I need to dust around the house, and it's not quite November yet, but I do want to just go ahead and change out our air filters. All right, and then we do have a couple of things that we do need to do, and as far as errands go, and it's probably going to be a trip to Michael's. We need to get some paint to paint pumpkins, and we might stop at another store in that area. Haven't totally decided that part yet. Next, I've got some other habits that I want to do, like my daily delete. I have fallen off of that so much. I looked at my phone the other day and I was just like, oh, that's a lot of pictures and video and things like that, and it's just time to get back on this habit and staying on the task of deleting those things daily, especially just the things that I know I'm not going to want to keep or look at all the time. I just don't need it there. All right. Other thing is reading. Catching up on the book I'm reading in the Moxie Life Book Club, and I want to make sure I spend some time off social media, off my phone, off of all that fun stuff. So a little bit of unplugging, and then there was another thing I wanted. Oh, I knew where else I needed to go. Sorry. The other place I need to go to is the UPS store. I have to drop off our Nespresso pods and drop another package off, and I keep forgetting to put them in my car so that I can just run in there and drop them off. Ugh, not fun. All right, and then skincare down here. Something I'm also trying to stay on top of. So many responsibilities. All right, few things to catch up on content. I need to share this daily plan with me, and I need to take some pictures that I can post on Instagram. I need to work on graphics. Super behind on that. I started working on some things in Canva and just kind of let it go throughout the week because things just got really busy. I also need to catch up on some emails. I'm sure that there are some brands that are just like, why are you ignoring us? Because I need to set aside like specific days to catch up on all of those emails. I just can't do it every single day. And comments and messages. Got to catch up on those too. I also want to work on some reels. I think it's too much to add to Saturday. Now, one of the things that I have been loving keeping track of is my water and workouts, like when I'm actually doing those things, but I like to track my water at the bottom and then write in whatever workout I do there. So I'm just going to use the dot marker for that as well. I feel like tracking my water just helps motivate me to actually drink water. Plus, it's that time of year where I can get really lazy about drinking water and get super dehydrated because it's not as hot and I think I don't need water, and then it's too late by the time I realize I need water. So I'm hoping I can get on my bike tomorrow and even just do like a really short ride just to get back into the swing of things. But I am excited about that. And I think I'm just going to use this little icon right here for the content. I totally should have used this tidy up. We are going to have a movie night, and I'm just going to put that right about here, even though it's probably going to be later than that. I love those. If you do use my coupon code at Fern Creek, which is Julie15, you will get this specific sampler, which I happen to love a whole lot. I just noticed the laundry basket. I do believe I left that on there as my own personal reminder to actually put away my laundry. Oh my gosh, I don't know that it'll actually work. All right, so I think that is it for this Saturday. I really hope that I can tackle all of these things. And if not, that's gonna be okay too. All right, guys, I hope that you enjoyed today's daily plan with me. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. If you are already subscribed, make sure you click that notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.